First of all, before starting my presentation, I would like to thank all my teachers for giving me this opportunity to represent a presentation. I am Devyanshi Gupta, student of Jet King Aliganj, going to give a presentation, and the topic is Office 365. What is Office 365? Now let us understand. Office 365 is an online service which is subscription based and includes MS Office web apps in addition to services like Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, Yammer, etc. The cool part of Office 365 is you can access to your applications from any device, anywhere, whether it is an Apple device being a Mac, Android or Windows devices. The user has the ability to have Office 365 to download Office on up to 15 devices like 5 mobile phones, 5 tablets and 5 PCs. Now let us understand what is the requirement of Office 365. Many of us know Microsoft Office is a bunch of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Skype, OneNote, etc. And the only way to update it is to upgrade it. By buying new software out of a box, we can have access to the current versions of these apps at any time from any device. This is really where the world has moved to, and being able to provide the most current versions of an app on any device at any time, which is exactly what Office 365 is. Now, talking about the advantages of Office 365, the best advantage of it is one of the uh, it uh, it has the ability to work from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. You can collaborate easily. It has always the latest version. You can get the latest version because it is subscription based, and you can subscribe according to your requirement. It is available as monthly subscription. We are also having yearly subscription, and it is highly secure. Now, coming to the disadvantages of Office 365, the sad part about this is that some Office 365 features always require an internet connection to use. And if you are not having internet connection, then you probably won't be able to complete any work or even access to your emails easily. Now, coming to the summary, we can create our best work with Microsoft 365. Yes, we with Microsoft 365 subscription plans, you can get premium versions of Office apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Publisher, etc. Thank you for watching this video.